I've got the Mediheal Lily's Beginner Kit. So if you want to check out some Kbeauty with me, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room and so is Bandit, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, clothing hauls, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider giving us a subscribe. It's totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Mediheal has Kbeauty, and they do have free shipping if you order $60 or more. So I saw this advertised on Instagram. Let me go ahead and give that a try. This is the Lily's Beginner Kit, and it is $49.99. So in order to get that free shipping, I also grabbed this mask set because I thought that sounded kind of interesting, and it was $14, and it's a Derma Synergy wrapping mask. So it has these two ingredients that are going to be synergistic, which means that they're going to feed off of each other for more impactful. So when we think of synergy, we think of 1 + 1 = 4 instead of 2. That makes sense. So I thought, all right, that's interesting. I'll try that. Seems very thick. They are regular face masks from what I can see on the back. And there are, there's 4 in here. Let's see, you are going to leave this on for 10 to 20 minutes. And it says tight wrapping care mask that thoroughly minimizes enlarged pores and makes the skin full of vitality. That's pretty much all it says. But I thought, might as well get the free shipping and try something new. So I've been interested. I hear a lot about the Kbeauty products. I started using a Kbeauty product that's a shampoo that I really love. That's the Sare 100. And said, you know what, let me try some skincare too. I think they said this box has a $90 value. But I just thought it was a good way to get a variety of items at a little bit of a deal. And this box and the face masks, everything, even the singular items, are available at the Mediheal website, mediheal.com. We'll put a link down below. I'm not an affiliate. I don't get anything from it. Like, I paid for this stuff. Just want to give it a try. So the first thing, and look at how cute that packaging is. The first thing is the warmed steam mask. So it says, that's right, it's a steam mask. So you're going to put it in the microwave. Opens up hydration pathways in dry skin, leaving you with smooth, dewy skin, like after a spa treatment. It's got Belgium spa water, microhyaluronate, pure cotton vegan sheet, moisture toning, steam mask, hydration pathway care, smooth skin, hinoki spa scent. You're going to open up the pouch, place the sheet and the essence in a tray that's provided, and warm in the microwave for about 10 seconds. And then apply it and leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. There's quite a few treatments in here. So there's the little tray that you put it in. And here's how it comes all packaged up. The mask is inside of there. It's a full face mask, it looks like. And you get 10 treatments. And I remember I saw an ad on Instagram, and then I went to the website and read more, and I was like, that's really interesting. Like, I do want to try these things. They look very interesting. Next is the Madecaso or Madecassicide Blemish Repair Serum with niacinamide. And so this is supposed to help with acne scars too. It's formulated with madecassicide to calm blemishes and clarify the complexion. After toning, apply an adequate amount on the entire face and lightly pat to enhance absorption. Next, we have this retinol, 5-time collagen, and glutathione. Glutathione, that's how it's pronounced. And these are going to be eye patches that you can put under your eyes. You can put them over here. You can also put them right here for signs of wrinkles. So you can place them in different areas. You can even kind of make yourself a little mustache to try to get some of this area more. And you can do that with all of your eye masks, just as a little tip, because they are meant to go in different places. And there is how that looks. And then the last thing on here are, what are these? PDRN lifting pads. It says it's going to improve elasticity for enlarged pores and sagging skin, and it's going to leave the skin firm. And you're going to take these pads, you're actually going to like stretch them out. Comes with a little pair of tweezers to pull them out. Either stretching that. All right, so there we are. What's it say on the front here? It says day and night daily treatment pad that offers optimized solution for those with various skin troubles due to external environment and stress. Solve your skin concerns quickly and easily with a pad during your busy daily life. So you can see the tweezers are adhered right in there. They smell nice. Let's take one out. Let's take a look. So here's how it looks, but you're going to pull it out. Pull it, stretch it, and then place it in, I guess, whatever area. Oh, see, it starts to stretch it a little bit better once you know, and then you're going to place it in whatever area that you want. So you can even use it on the back of your hands if you want. This seals nicely but easy to open. You're going to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. And then once you pull it off, you're going to just pat in anything left onto your skin area. So I thought this was a neat way to try some different items and really just kind of check out this whole trend. And I think they were interesting items too. So I was like, I don't know anything like that. So let me give that a try. The one for acne, remember that the same components that work for acne also work for fine lines and wrinkles. So for instance, when we have retinol in something, retinol is a treatment used for acne, but it's also used for, again, our fine lines and wrinkles. So I will look up what this metacaside, not sure how to pronounce that, but I will look up what that is and what that does and try to have those benefits for you. But I thought, you know, something to check out. This is vegan. I believe Mediheal is a cruelty-free brand. This is also vegan. I think when I saw that things were vegan, I thought they must be, but I didn't really actually check that out. I probably should have, but I'll keep you guys updated. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.